Number 3, organizational impact. So as we've rolled along here with the first 2 weeks, we're over the halfway point, which is always amazing how quick these classes go. But now we've talked about sort of strategic views, and that doesn't go away. The SWOT and the PEST analysis and things like that. The evaluation of software or tools and what they can do for our organization. Okay, that's something you should have a rough understanding of at least. You can put it into context. Now we need to consider organizational impact. Not all innovation is greeted with welcome arms in an organization. Often, if not always, if you're ever in a meeting and they come out and say, hey, we need to fix things, we need to do something different, that isn't usually met with cheers. But I will say this, if you do talk about improvement, in order to stay competitive, it's sort of a change or die. If you don't adapt to market conditions, you're doomed to be run over by them. And this is true of individuals as well. You need to keep adding value to yourself as time goes on. But there's a need for assimilation in the fact that working environments are going to change. But for leadership, for someone at your level who aspires for leadership or is at leadership, you need to get people, and I hate to use this term, on board. Assimilation means I used to do it this way, but now I'm going to do it this way because this is the way we need to go. In doing that, and sometimes this is called change management, we need to plan for dealing with both the positive, because there's always a positive side, but there's almost always a negative side, depending upon your perspective. And understanding that and dealing with that effectively is going to help greatly improve the impact of technology, innovation, and all the rest. Considering a Christian perspective, this is exactly where it needs to be when making these decisions, because impact, there's no such thing as a non-impactful change or even improvement. Doesn't mean it has to be negative, but considering other people's perspectives is always a good starting point. So, again, week 3, look forward to reading your work. Take care.